Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to install FallGuys on Linux. So I'm using Arch Linux, and on FallGuys, the easy anti-cheat support works and the friends list support works, and I'll just show you guys that it works. As you can see, it's loading up as normal. Just loading up. Just waiting. As you can see, it loaded up. I can add friends. I can load into a game. I don't get any anti-cheat pairs. So I'll just close the game out. So I'm going to show you guys how to install FallGuys. What we're going to need is the Heroic Games Launcher, Legendary. You can find this by searching up Legendary GitHub, but I'll just leave all the things you need in the description down below. The Heroic Bash Launcher, this will enable us to actually put it into Steam, so we can use the easy anti-cheat runtime. So once you're done downloading Heroic, we're going to want to launch it. Out in full screen for you guys. What we want to do is go in the wine manager, wait for it to load. We're going to want to go to PROTON GE and download this one, PROTON 7-2. After that, you're going to want to log in to Heroic. After you're done logged in, go to your library and install FallGuys. So it's already installed. So once we're done, once it's finished installing, go to your home directory, go to games, go to Heroic, go to FallGuys, and then we're going to want to go to the anti-cheat folder where we find easy anti-cheat x64.so. We click on that, we press copy, we go to FallGuys client_game.data, this folder, go into plugins, x86-64, and then we paste that right in there. I'm going to replace it since I already have it in there, but you guys are just going to copy and paste it. After that, we're going to want to go back here to the bash launcher. You guys are going to want to download the bash launcher. So to do this, you just download it as normal. Click on this, and it just downloads. After it's done downloading, we go here, Heroic Bash Launcher, we copy it, bring it to the same place you have FallGuys installed. So we're going to want to go to Games, then to Heroic, and inside Heroic, we paste it. So I'm going to replace it, and you guys are just going to want to unzip it. Once you guys unzip it, you guys want to double click into it, press the setup.sh, and after it's done setting up, you guys are going to want to click this. Double click add to Steam, and when that happens, you guys are going to get a menu. I'll show you. So I'm just going to want to go into the directory. You guys will probably just have to double click it, but since my system's kind of weird, I have to do this. So, wait. Add to Steam. Oh, my bad. I need to actually go into it. So we open a terminal here. /this. And you guys are going to get a menu like this. We press FallGuys, we press OK, and this may take a while depending on your internet connection. Press OK, and it's installed just as normal. Next thing you guys are going to want to do is we go to Legendary. You guys download Legendary. This option right here for Linux, just Legendary. Once it's done downloading, we open it, we copy it. You guys are going to copy it and bring it to this folder right here. Games, heroic bash launcher, game files, and we pasted it in here. So I'm going to want to replace it. After we're done doing that, we're going to want to do this. We're going to want to open a terminal right in that location. And then to make sure legendary is installed properly, we do a command / legendary auth for authentication. Oh, you guys might need to actually change the properties of it to make it read-only. If you're in the terminal, you just have to do sudo chmod or chmod +x and then legendary. This will make it executable, so we just relaunch that command legendary.auth. As we can see, it's there. Everything's working. Next, in the terminal, you're going to want to do this. I'll just get the command ready. All the commands will be in the description down below. Legendary import. So on our user, on the place where I wrote user, you guys are going to want to your actual username. This is mine. If we get an error that says it's already installed, then we're good. You can see the game's already installed. We got the error. It's good. So this time, I'm not going to actually do this command, but since I already have it installed, you guys are going to want to launch this. This will enable us to get the easy anti-cheat overlay, so we can get online multiplayer. You can see, you're going to want to change this user to put your username and hit enter. Once you're done doing that, it's going to take a bit, since it's going to download. You guys are going to want to put this other command, which I will leave in the description down below. This one right here. So I'm just going to enter it. Okay, the overlay is already enabled. There's nothing to do for me, but you guys are going to want to do that. Next, your final step, or your final few steps is, you guys want to go into Steam. So I'm going to launch Steam. So Steam has launched. We're going to want to search for FallGuys. And if normally the way that we installed FallGuys through the bash launcher doesn't work, like as you can see, it will fail to launch. So we're going to want to add the game, add non-Steam game. We're going to browse and we're going to go to this place. Go to your home directory, find your, and then go to games, heroic bash launcher, game files, and click all files. And where it says FallGuys heroic.sh, we're going to want to click that. Open, add selected programs. For here, I already have it, so I'm just going to remove this game from my Steam library, but I have it, right? So we're going to want to go to the properties of the game. And over here, you guys are going to want to put this. So this launch command will enable us to get it. To enable the PROTON runtime. But before we do that, we're going to want to install the PROTON runtime. So for you guys to get the easy anti-cheat runtime, you guys are going to have to go to library. And then firstly, you guys might have to do this, Apex Legends. You guys are going to find Apex Legends, find it, and add it to your Steam library. So it's already in my library, so what I'm going to have to do is go to Apex. So if I find Apex, okay, this is Apex right here. I press install, blah, blah, blah. We do this, press finish. Now what we're going to have to do is pause this, and only where it says the anti-cheat runtime, we download that. So that thing downloaded first, so it's downloaded for us. You guys are going to have to pause the actual Apex installation, and easy anti-cheat runtime is going to look like this. We just press the download now button. After that, we head back to our library. We go to FallGuys. Remember how we put the .sh? We're going to want to do that. Go to properties. For the launch options, let me just find it real quick. I have all of this on a notepad, and I'm just copy pasting it. So we're gonna want to put this in. I'm just gonna copy paste it. This will enable easy anti-cheat runtime support. So as we can see, ultimate user. Where we find the user, just put your name, or your username, right? X. Launch it. Let's wait for it to launch. And as you can see, wait. And just look. We launched in. And we can just easily get into a match. Oh, I should probably show you guys that this also works. Friends slip list. So that's just the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching.